Now my dear friends, what are assets? Asset is nothing but actually it is something which the company owns in the future economic value. For example, land is a fixed asset, where for starting a company you need some piece of land and the company has acquired that land. That is nothing but the fixed asset. Second is the building which the company requires. So building is another form of fixed asset, so where the company is going to make some infrastructure and for that some money will be required. Say for example, some piece of land you purchase for 1 crore rupees and building you purchase for 2 crore rupees. So 1 crore and 2 crore, these both are assets. Third is form of equipment. Equipments are nothing but the machineries which will be required. For example, if you are making a software company, what all machineries you will require? You will require server, you will require computers, you will require internet equipments. So all these are equipments. These are also the assets, fixed assets. And fourth is the goodwill of the company. Now goodwill company which is intangible. uh, it cannot be seen, and some goodwill asset is also created. So my dear friends, assets basically are of two types. One is fixed asset and another is variable assets. It changes as far as the time is concerned. So assets can grow with the time, or assets depreciate with the time, means their value gets lower with the time. As far as the equipments are land value will grow with the time. Building value may also grow with the time, but as far as the equipments are concerned or the machineries are concerned, their value lowers with the time. So goodwill, if you keep it, it will grow with the time. If you degrade it, it is intangible. It's variable factor. So this equipment and goodwill is completely variable, but equipment most of the time it gets lowered. Now we'll see in next slide what is liability.